Hey everyone! Welcome back to LoSex TV, your go-to channel for love, relationship, and health tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about building deep emotional and physical connections with your partner. Remember, intimacy is a vital part of any relationship, and it goes beyond just physical connection. It's about trust, affection, and mutual respect. Stick around to learn some effective ways to strengthen that bond with your significant other. Eye contact. Start by maintaining deep eye contact. This creates a sense of closeness and shows that you're fully present in the moment. Don't shy away. This builds trust and establishes a powerful emotional connection. Close proximity. Gently move closer, allowing your bodies to connect. Feeling each other's warmth creates a sense of security and comfort. A light touch can be a simple but powerful way to express affection. Affectionate words. Compliments go a long way. Whispering something like, "You look so beautiful," or "I love you" can boost your partner's confidence and make them feel cherished. Follow up with a gentle kiss to reinforce your feelings. Slow and gentle touch. Take your time. Physical intimacy isn't about rushing, it's about savoring each moment. Softly caress your partner's body, focusing on creating an atmosphere of calm and connection. Build anticipation. Allow the moment to build naturally without rushing. Your partner's body language will let you know when they're ready, but pacing is key. Remember, intimacy is a two-way experience, so be attentive to their needs. Respect boundaries. It's important to respect your partner's comfort zone. Always ensure that your partner feels safe and respected during intimate moments. This fosters trust and leads to a more fulfilling experience for both of you. Communicate. Throughout the experience, communicate both verbally and non-verbally. If your partner feels loved and respected, it will only deepen the connection between you two. Post-intimacy care. After intimacy, show your partner that you care by helping them feel comfortable. Whether it's offering a cuddle or simply being there, post-intimacy care is essential in nurturing your relationship. So there you have it, ways to build deep, meaningful intimacy with your partner. Remember, intimacy is about much more than physical interaction. It's about connection, love, and mutual respect. Take your time, listen to each other, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of growing closer with your significant other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more relationship and health tips from LoSex TV.